guys, welcome to the flowers. Well celebration Uncle Gerald and Auntie Christine because them is kasal and wedding because them have this flower, and of course we'll do this all because that's all our doing our celebrations. Of course we're doing this our celebration because it's so easy, and this celebration is so easy, and it's harder but it's easy. And of course this is so heavy, and there's more on. See? And I can just put like it like that.
Like that.
And like a baby, and because see there's a straw, and
Dili na time lapse.
of course it's like a baby. This is baby Andy Christine, but it's not a baby, it's just a flower. See? It's so fluffy. And there's
You hold it properly.
there's more and two in here, and of course we have 1% like a lettuce, and it's just flour, and it's the lot over there too. And let's start this
Alam na.
because
Excuse me
see,
lang.
get that, mommy.
Ay, gunting na.
Nagunting.
Yung ay lang gunting nga para di mo ma-stress.
You
Ang
have
gunting nga kay di
you
masud.
have
Ang common ba di masud.
Ako di gunting.
and we
Hindi
have
siya kuan.
this is so giant, and of course it's so fluffy, and I love this so much. And of course this is Auntie Christine for them is gonna do it. And of course them is celebration we're gonna pass out. Of course, let's do this start.
Time lapse na ta.
Oh, time na